Wait, what are we doing?
Come on, go.
So you're doing the fort like this?
Yeah.
We got a big back wall.
Are you gonna hold the camera? Want me to do it?
No, I'm like stack it up.
Yeah, stack it up.
Oh, okay. Construction giant.
Hurry up, we gotta hurry up for somebody to come.
Hurry up, Amos. You go. Yeah, this small. Go. How we get out?
No, you leave a thing right there.
Oh,
but two people, like, y'all never know it. Dude,
Do the bag.
here, hold this, just hold it. Hold it. Oh, that's just a good one.
Oh, yeah, you good for here. I never did this before.
Didn't need your help.
Alright. Post that on there. I get these now.
This is cool.
Alright, block this part.
Block this.
Here, use this. Move that.
Hey, let's go around back. Construction village.
Oh, this function is not currently available. But go ahead. Yeah,
Make sure nobody's coming.
oh, good.
They can directly see right here, dude. No, I'm gonna build this up so they won't see it.
Check out the crib.
I gotta. This is. I know. Alright, we gotta block that hole right there. In this hole.
Here, you get the camera.
Alright, let me get one more hole. Back up. We're chilling, bro. Oh, we gotta get some pile right here too. We gotta get some and throw in here. Let's go get some covers.
Oh, yeah, let's get some covers.
Hey, Abram. Oh, come on. Let's go get some covers. Got pillows. Back. Open the toilet paper fort. Let's go. Wait, I think my hand was in front of that when I said that. We're chilling, mate.
Boy. Hey, can we come?
I don't know.
I ain't gonna say you. Hey, you grabbed 2 pounds, didn't you? I feel all awkward. You're sitting on both of my bags.
Hey, y'all get on the back wall. Y'all two get on the back wall.
Back wall.
Yeah, hey, like you scoot over and Abram gets on that back wall.
Oh, I get right here.
Huh? Yeah, get beside him, Abram. Oh, pillow fault.
Fix it. Hey, I hear somebody calling you. Like, be quiet.
Hey, I'll be sitting on your phone.
Hello?
Toilet paper fort. Toilet paper fort.
Oh, Aaron, there you go right there. Get him, bro. Get him. Go get him.
You ain't about to go get him.
Go get them things, bro.
I get him.
Watch out. I can read you. No.
It's some hit.
God.
Bro, this actually worked, dude.
Watch how knock everything over.
Hey, in about. Alright, I'm gonna stop the camera. Be right with y'all later.
Mom? I think it's good. Oh, gotta open it.
I gotta take it with you.
Dude, that damn around the corner so fast. I didn't want to move that fast. Why did he do that? They knocked it over. There's the we shot it.
Well, we back. Alright guys, we're back up in here in the fort. Look what we got. We got carpet. It's a furry carpet, by the way. We got a blue pillow. I have 2 pillows under me.
Yeah, cause
Another pillow. We're chilling, Mike. So now we're just gonna see what happens.
Yes.
Be back with you if something happens or if nothing happens. Alright, quick update. Jess got his own room. I got my own room. And everyone got his own room.
well, mine's decked out.
Bro, we're chilling. We're chilling.
Well, mine's decked.
We got an air horn update. We got a bunch of pillows and stuff. Bunch of them. Alright, just hit it one time. That is so loud. Oh.
Let me do it.
Good deal, good deal, good deal. Just barely, dude. That's loud. Wow, dude. Alright, we're gonna take a break. We're gonna take a break. Yeah, we're gonna take a break. I can't.
I can't hear nothing.
Alright, I'll be back later. Alright, we're gonna give y'all a tour of the place. This is my spot with pillows under this part. And this is Jess's with the gray carpet
Yeah.
and a red. This is Abrams with just one pillow. And this is the air horn, which is loud as crap. It's out of focus. There it goes. Spray once, spray once. Spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it right now.
I know you heard that. Wait, Mom?
She is not happy, dude.
Oh, she probably gonna tell on us.
She probably is.
What is she? She is. Up, ma'am.
She probably is.
Let's get out. Let's get out.
No, chill. Oh God, I think somebody's gonna tell. I don't see him no more.
How did she not hear that?
Aim over here. He chilling, bro. He chilling.
Yeah, I am.
How she not hear that? Mom!
She gone. There's so many people coming, dude. We're good. Alright. Alright, you ready? Ready?
Oh God. I thought we broke it.
Oh!
You got him in there?
Yeah. They keep moving. Don't put it beside my ear. Do it. Ah! Baby, come back. Oh no, I think it's a worker. Don't do it.
Hey, look.
Go up. They love, dude. They heard that and dipped, dude.
We people right down and catch on to him.
Hey, Jess. Jess, see anybody? Behind you, Jess. Jess. It's a worker right there. She's on the ouch. No, don't.
Y'all get from in here. Get out. Y'all know better than this. Get out from in there. I'm calling management.
Who's that? Mom?
I don't care. You got in there, y'all get out.
Are you my mom?
Get out. Get the bag.
Get all your stuff out, will you?
Get the stuff.
Why are y'all up in there anyway?
Just a prank. Wait, here. Get the stuff.
Get all the stuff out.
I get it. All right.
I don't see where it's funny. Y'all come in here and mess up my stuff and everything. Get all the stuff out. Get it all out.
Whoa. Boy, it's time to dip. Go. Y'all.
You come on down to here.
Nah, it's okay. Yeah. Alright, it's all of me. Alright, let's go put it back. Successful. Holy shit. Mark is everywhere.
Where's they at? I gotta find Logan. Oh, they went management.